I think I was scrolling through the feed, and then there were a lot of these pop-ups, and clearly car mats came about. At the time I was looking through it, I thought it would be nice to have, but I didn't really think too much about it. So I suppose through the scrolling and eventually more and more keep coming, I'm thinking, okay, you know, what is this about? And I guess I got kind of bought into it because I really like the fact that it makes the car mats a lot easy to use, and it washes very easily as well. I thought like, hey, you know what, if it does make it easier to clean, as well as because my car mats are already degrading, I thought why not maybe use it as a way to invest or something like that. Using the classic, and I can't remember how long I had it, but it's been a couple of months. It's just very recently I got it. It's great. I love the fact that it's really anti-slip, and no matter how much I step onto it, it doesn't obstruct me from stepping onto the pedals. Makes a very clean cut look in the car, and it's very easy to just see whether the dirt is there and just really throw it off. I suppose clearly it's the anti-slip, because that was the one thing that I was having a lot of issues with in the previous car mat. Anybody who comes across that, I might think that, you know, if they have issues with their car mats or even anything to do with car accessories, then I will definitely recommend them.